Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In previous video, I had explained you about functions of management. Yes, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Today we are going to start another topic, that is coordination. Coordination is required at every stage of management. Coordination is necessary from planning to controlling. In management, number of functions are performed, yes, which we have studied in previous video. So, at every stage, from planning to controlling, coordination is necessary. Coordination gives a sort of assurance for accomplishment of objectives. With coordination, we can be assured that task is completed or not. Yes, objective is achieved or not. Yes, no work remains incomplete or no work is duplicated, and thus the work becomes easy. This is very much important. With coordination, no work remains incomplete. Yes, as we are coordinating that this much work is done, this much is left. Yes, so there are no chances for any work to be remain incomplete. Yes, and no work is duplicated. Sometimes if we are not coordinating, so same work might be done by two persons, two employees. Yes, but if proper coordination is established, then there are no chances that any work will be duplicated. Yes, so the work becomes easy. With coordination, our work becomes easy. In a very easy manner, we can complete our task and we can achieve our objectives. Now, the meaning of coordination: to bring coordination and harmony among different functions carried out by different departments in business unit is called coordination. Now, what is coordination? To bring harmony, to bring coordination among different functions carried out by different departments. There are number of functions performed in the firm, yes, and those functions are performed by different departments. So, to bring coordination or harmony among those functions, those departments, that is called coordination. Then, characteristics of coordination. The first one is coordination is required for all activities, right from planning to controlling. Yes, just now I had explained you that it is required in all activities, whether it is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, or controlling. Coordination is required. Therefore, management process is not possible without coordination. Without coordination, we cannot think about management process. Yes, as coordination makes our management process effective. Yes, without coordination, we cannot perform any task. Then second, coordination is required at every level of management. In first point, coordination is required in all activities. Yes, here we are talking about activities: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. In second point, we are talking about levels. Yes, at every level of management, whether it is top level, middle level, or bottom level, coordination must be there. Yes, then third, success of coordination depends upon effective communication. Now, this is very much important. Success of coordination. Coordination will be successful how? When there is effective communication. Now, see, if I want to coordinate with my colleagues, so how I can coordinate? Through spoken words, yes, or application or writing letter, yes. So communication must be there. Without communication, how any person can coordinate? Yes. So success of coordination depends on effective communication. Communication must be effective. Then only our coordination will be successful. Then fourth, coordination is not possible without cooperation. Cooperation of employees engaged in different activities is necessary to maintain coordination among various activities of organization. Coordination is not possible without cooperation. Now see, if I am coordinating with any person but that person is not cooperating, that person is not ready to listen, yes, so how we can coordinate? Yes, so here cooperation is required. Cooperation of employees must be there. Yes, if they are cooperating, then coordination can be established. Then next is fifth, optimum utilization of business resources is possible due to coordination. As we know that in firm there are number of resources that might be materialistic or human resources. So if we are coordinating, we can utilize all resources in best way, in optimum way. Yes, so it is possible with coordination. Optimum utilization of business resources is possible with coordination. Then sixth, coordination is a part of every activity of management. Therefore, coordination is considered soul of management. As we know that coordination is required at every level, in every activity. Yes, so here coordination is considered as soul of management. This might be asked in 1 mark question. I hope all the characteristics are clear to you. Now, importance of coordination. First, coordination makes management functions like planning, organizing, directing, controlling effective. As we know that coordination is required to perform managerial functions. Yes, as coordination makes all managerial functions effective. If our managerial functions performed effectively, we can achieve our objective. Yes, our task will be completed in best way. So coordination makes all managerial functions effective. Then second, coordination makes possible all business activities in easy manner. With coordination, all business activities will be performed easily. Yes, as with coordination, no work will remain incomplete or there will be no duplication of work. Yes, so with coordination, we can perform all business activities in easy manner. Then third, coordination does not leave work incomplete and no possibility of duplication of work. If proper coordination is established, then there will be no chance that any work will remain incomplete or there will be no chance for duplication of work. Then fourth, coordination maintains harmony among various departments of management. As I have explained you in definition that what is coordination? Coordination is bring harmony among different functions performed by different departments. Yes, so in coordination we have to bring balance, we have to bring harmony among various departments. Yes, so harmony among various departments is possible with coordination. Then fifth, coordination enables to maintain a balance between order and time of business activities performed by various departments. Now here coordination enables to maintain a balance. Yes, with coordination we can bring balance between order and time of business activities performed by various departments. When order is given, yes, and within what time period the task is completed, yes, there must be balance. So that is possible with coordination. Then sixth, coordination leads towards the accomplishment of pre-decided objective. As coordination makes all managerial functions effective. Yes, it is required at every level of management. Yes, with coordination, all tasks will be performed in easy manner. Yes, so that leads towards accomplishment of predetermined objective. Yes, we can achieve our objective goal of business with coordination. I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.